Oreo. Okay, 3, 2, bite. Oreo Enrobed. Oh, it's like an Oreo, but like it's covered in chocolate. There. Okay, so it comes in packs of 3. It comes in like this. Okay, that's what it looks like. It looks like a regular Oreo, but if you open it up, it's chocolate, not cream.
Give it to me. I'm gonna try it.
Better. Okay, what about? Okay. Oh, guys, so off you can.
Yeah!
Okay, yeah.
Okay,
Okay, so today we are going to be eating Oreos. Okay, let's bring out the Oreos. This is our bag of Oreos. Okay, let's take them out. Let's take them out, everybody. Go first. Youngest first. Okay, what is that? We got... Oh, this is a limited edition. It says it's limited edition. Ice cream matcha flavor. Ooh, okay. Here's our first one. Okay, oh, wait. Okay, borrow one. Okay, so this one is dark. So this one is dark and white chocolate Oreo. So yeah, it's also basically like chocolate and vanilla at the same time, I think. Next one. Okay, my turn.
Okay.
Oh, it's small. Oh, this one is red velvet Oreos. Oh, it's red. It's red. That's cool. Okay, your turn again, Gwen. Gwen first. Out of the mystery bag. Whoa! Birthday cake Oreos with birthday sprinkles. Limited edition. We have another limited edition Oreo. 2 limited edition Oreos. That's so cool.
That's so cool.
Alright, Zach, your turn.
Wow! I'm the biggest one.
Biggest one? Are you sure that's gonna be the biggest one?
Yeah.
Oh, I think that's a bit small, but okay. Ooh, what is this? Oreo Enrobed. Oh, it's like an Oreo, but like it's covered in chocolate, I'm guessing. Alright, put it here. Okay, my turn. How about I just let you pick? Okay. Okay, what did you get? Whoa! It's chocolate cream Oreos. I think these Oreos are like pretty common, but I guess we're still gonna just put them there. And then last one is just the original Oreo. Last one is the original Oreos. So you know that we can like compare the Oreos. We're gonna have the original with us. So yeah. So these are our Oreos. So we have all of these Oreos. I already introduced them. So yeah, let's eat them. Just wait. Okay, so what do you try first?
I'm gonna try the real Oreo.
Okay, other than the real Oreo. First we're gonna try the real Oreos. But other than that, like
I'm gonna try this one.
the chocolate Oreo. Okay, this is the most common Oreo I think out of everything except the original one. So I think it's good that we try this one first.
Okay, I'm gonna try.
No, we're gonna try this one. There. Okay, so it comes in packs of 3. It comes in like this. Okay, and then it comes in 3. So there's 1, 2, 3 Oreos. So yeah, okay. Not 3 for each of us, but it's good to try.
Oh no!
So this is mine. Birthday. So this is my
Happy
Oreo. This is what it looks like.
birthday
It looks like a regular Oreo, but if you open it up, it's chocolate, not cream.
Yes.
Okay, so we have our Oreos here, and I think I should just give them a small amount, Zach and Gwen, so that you know they really. I think I should really them to try this because I don't think they're really be interested in it. Try the regular Oreo. We also have water at the side, so yeah. Okay, everybody, let's try the Oreo. Okay, I'll only give you guys portions. Actually, no, we should just get 1 Oreo and then just divide it into portions. Okay, here you go, guys. Wait, oh no. I caught it, don't worry. This is yours. This is yours. I'm not gonna feed it. Okay, 3, 2, bite. Okay, so what does it taste like?
I got Oreo.
Let's try the original, guys. I won't let them try it because I don't think they need to try it, so yeah. Okay, drink first. Okay, so we have the original Oreo here. So yeah. It basically tastes like a more chocolatey Oreo. This isn't like cream, this one is chocolate, so it tastes chocolate. You. What did you just eat? It's a cookie.
Oreo.
Okay. Also, the cream is like sweeter. The chocolate is just like
Can you
chocolate.
open this?
Okay.
Oreo, please.
So next one. Okay, next one. Okay, what's your next one?
I'll eat
Okay,
the
so-
Oreo.
Okay, don't worry, we're gonna eat Oreos. Okay. So which one gonna try? No, other than this and this, what are we gonna try next?
I can try
This.
I
Okay, so which one are we trying? And also, guys, don't worry.
I
we
can
will
try
eat
the
this all,
birthday
don't
one.
worry. The birthday one. Okay, so our next one is the birthday Oreo currently. It has the there's sprinkles. Okay, open it up. Let's try the. So give your reviews about the chocolate Oreo. Me, I would give it a good 9 out of 10. Chocolatey, I like it. What about you?
Whoa!
Whoa! Okay, so her rating is a whoa. You, what's your rating? 1 out of 10.
1 is 10.
10, but you didn't even eat it. Whoa! Oh, look at the packaging. It looks so cool. I'm keeping the packaging. I will save this packet. Oh, you took it out. Okay. It's too much. Okay, so we have this. Okay. There. Okay, so what does it look like? So this is what it looks like.
It's kind of like
It's not really sprinkly. It's kind of like a unicorn. It's like I don't know. It's kind of like a unicorn vibe. So yeah. Okay, let's split it.
Ooh.
Here you guys go. I'm not gonna feed it, Gwen. Okay,
I'll
here you
take
go,
it.
Zach. Okay, Zach doesn't want it. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna eat Zach's.
I'll tell you one. I'll tell you one.
I can't really explain the taste, but it does taste good. Gonna wash it off first. The birthday cake one is way sweeter than the regular one. I think Gwen doesn't like
I'll
hers.
tell you Oreo.
To be honest, it's okay, but
I'll tell you Oreo.
I
like the
here. This is the real Oreo. So I'll give it a good 8. So yeah, this one was a 9. The chocolate was a 9. The birthday cake, it's just like it's an 8. Yeah, actually no, 7.5. All right, what about you? You didn't try it, so it doesn't count really. Okay, so what's next? What are you gonna try next? Velvet?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the Velvet Oreo. Where's the other birthday cake one? Did I finish that? It's red velvet, so it's kind of like in a tube. Okay, I don't know why.
I don't like that.
Oh! Here it says it's gonna be like this red, but now it kind of looks like a ginger red. It looks like a ginger red. Okay, what's inside? Oh, inside is just like regular, like cream. Oh, it's just a cookie. The cookie is what's important. Okay, and then I'm gonna cut this in half for Zach. Okay, so Zach has quit. Right? Okay, Gwen has also left, so I guess I'm the only one here. Velvet Oreo, 3, 2, 1.
Daddy, can you help me take off this?
I like it, but I don't like it. I like it's in the middle. I think I'll give it a 6. I want it better. Regular is better.
It's real Oreo.
So Gwen is just there at the back. Do you want to try red velvet Oreo? Wanna try it? Okay, Gwen doesn't want to try it. Yeah, so I think this is my least favorite one for now. I haven't tried this in a long time. I remember trying it like a month ago. I did not know. Okay, so there's only 3 more Oreos left for us, I think. Okay, let's put this aside. Don't worry, guys, we're gonna eat it. But like not today. Oh, 110 years of Oreo. That's cool. Yeah, I'm keeping the packaging of the birthday Oreo. Okay, so there's 3 more. Which one do you want?
I want the next one.
What?
The next one.
Which one? There's 3.
I want this one.
This one, the Enrobed one. This one's kind of like it's coated with chocolate. So there's 6 pieces. Oh. Okay, let's see it. Okay, so I think Gwen doesn't want it anymore.
Oh.
Okay. Oh, so there's 2 inside.
Okay,
Okay, let's see what it looks like. Maybe it's the other side. Oh, there. Oh, it's chocolate coated. Yeah, I was right. Although that's like a bit more like dark than like. It's not. It was just chocolate coated. It's okay. 3, 2, 1.
Did you take it off?
I like it. Take it off. I can take it off.
Like the 19-pound boom box. Come on, sorry, I like it alright.
I'll give it a 7. I don't really like it that much.
But I like
It's a bit too soft. I don't like that too soft things like marshmallows. The chocolate is way too soft. It's also extra chocolate to this one. Yeah, this is 7. 7. Wanna try it?
Oh, ew.
You okay? Okay, so we have tried this one. Okay, Zach, you have to pick. Be careful. You want the regular Oreo?
Wait, I already eat the regular Oreo.
Okay. Okay, so you have to pick one.
I'm the pick. You pick this one.
The green matcha. Ooh.
That's very good.
It's very good. Are you gonna eat it?
No, I'm not.
Okay, let's open it. You said it's good. Come on, try it. I thought you wanna go big and strong. Oh, it comes in like these little things.
I'm getting stronger.
Yeah, if you eat the Oreos, then you will. Okay, let's go. Okay. Oh, it smells. It doesn't smell good, but maybe it'll taste good.
Oh no.
You want some? Look, it's green. See? Okay, so this is the Oreo. Let's open it up. Oh, that's so cool. It's like a yellowish green color. It doesn't match though the coloring here, but you know, I understand. Okay, try it. Bite. Okay, Zach doesn't want to try, but I will.
I'm so open. I'm gonna open it.
You're gonna open it? We're gonna open it.
Yes, I like.
Ooh. Yeah, okay, now eat it.
Oh, I don't like to eat
Okay.
it. Good, Daddy. Good. Good, Daddy.
I don't like it.
Why? Yeah, I think it's like 6 ugly.
So I don't like the matcha one. It's also a bit like minty. I don't like the matcha one. I need to eat this so that I don't get infected. I gotta get infected. It's green. Now I'm not gonna get infected. Okay, so this is the last one. I hope it tastes good.
What is that called?
So yeah.
What is it called that?
The mint is in my mouth.
Let's try.
I don't like it.
Let me try to. Wow!
This is our last Oreo of the day. Oh, it has shiny packaging. Also, it looks like a teal tone.
Oh, that's.
The mint is just in my mouth. I should have eaten this last.
Wow!
But it's also not the best for last, so I don't know if this is the best.
Wow!
Right now, out of all of this, my favorite is probably the chocolate one. Okay, don't ask me why. And then the birthday cake one. Then the coated one. Then the red velvet one. Then the matcha one. We have opened this. Okay, so could this be the best, the least, or right in the middle? Okay, so this one just like, let's open it up.
We kept cooking.
Oh! It looks a bit, it doesn't look like the photo, but I think it's okay. So here it is, so it's just better like that. It doesn't really look like the photo, but you know, we're gonna trust it. 3. But I should bet the middle. There's chocolate and also cream, so yeah, 3 good. I'm gonna give it, I don't like it.
You got.
You dropped an Oreo. Okay, so I think that this is better than the red velvet and the matcha. But I gave this one 6.5, right?
Oh wait,
I'm gonna give this one 6.6.
Okay, pick one. Pick one.
I don't like it.
Pick one, Matty. Pick one. Pick. I'm gonna pick one. You pick.
So yeah, my favorite one is the chocolate Oreo.
How about you, Zach? What's your favorite?
Okay, so we're transferring to a camera. How about you try it? How about you try it?
Which one?
All of them. Because we're running out. I'm the only one trying them. Okay, let's go.
Oh.
Try them. Try them. Come on.
Try them. Try them.
Give it to me. I'm gonna try it.
So, chocolate one. Okay, chocolate one. What's your rating for chocolate one? Rating. Okay, so 1 out of 10. What's your rating for the chocolate?
10.
10 10. Okay, which one's next? I think this is the birthday cake one. Okay, so. Okay, so the birthday cake is
9.
9. Also the oh, excuse me. So the chocolate's better. Okay, what about okay, this one, the coated one. Coated Oreo. Okay, so what's your rating? 1 out of 10.
Okay. What about Daddy?
Oh, it's a medium. What's your score?
7.
The red one.
Okay, the
Too
red
sweet.
one. The red velvet
Oh.
one. Mine's too soft. Okay, red velvet Oreo. It's not really full, guys, but there you go. Okay, what's your rating?
What's your
The red
rating?
velvet Oreo. 5?
5?
5.
Oh, it's a 5.
You like it?
Okay, what about this is the actually try this one first.
What's that?
It's the chocolate and the cream one. It's the black and white one. So how is it? Did you buy the middle?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So
Daddy.
what's your rating?
This one.
What's your rating?
3.
3! Okay, what about this one?
What's this?
So that's the last one, guys, the matcha one.
What's this?
It's matcha. So how is it?
Oh no!
What's your rating?
0.
0. I knew it. I don't like the matcha one too. Okay, anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell. Goodbye. Goodbye. And also, by the way, guys, we both have a favorite of chocolate Oreo. So yeah, bye.
Bye.
Bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye. Okay, did you